So it's time to change the air filter on this 2002 Honda Odyssey. It's not a very difficult job, but it's necessary nonetheless as part of normal routine maintenance. I'm going to use this filter. I got it off Amazon. I've used these before. They're decent quality and a decent price. It's a band filter. MA1090 is the model number. The air filter housing here is held on with 4 screws, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. You just loosen those up. Once those are loose, the whole thing should just lift right up. Don't have to pull it out all the way, just lift it up enough to get to the air filter. Comes out like that. Let's take a look at this one. Not too dirty at all. We'll replace it anyway. It only goes one way. It's got a different shape to it, so you can't get it in wrong. Put it in place. See? I tried to put it in wrong and it won't go that way. The wider part goes toward the back. Make sure it seats well. Lower the housing right back over top of it. It should sit right down all the way. And tighten the screws back up. There you have it. That's all it takes. Buy one of these for 12 or 15 bucks. Why let a shop charge you whatever they're going to charge you for it? I know it's a whole lot more than that. How long did that take? 5 minutes?